everyone, and welcome to another French class. In this video, we will discuss the plural of French nouns, how they are formed, and their pronunciation. Please watch this video until the end, because I'll be sharing with you an important rule for pronouncing French like, as one of my French friends put it, someone who's educated. The liaison. But before anything else, if you want to learn more about the French language, please check our playlist and subscribe to our channel for more related content. Now, without further ado, c'est parti! The plural of nouns. If you have been following our previous French classes, you have learned that the plural definite article of both masculine and feminine nouns is les, while the plural indefinite article is des. You may also have noticed from our previous examples that most French nouns are made plural by adding s to their singular. For example, le garçon, les garçons, une mère, des mères. In addition to these, here are some rules to keep in mind in forming the plural of other French nouns. Number 1. Nouns that end in s, x, or z in the singular stay the same in the plural. For example, le course, les courses, un choix, des choix, le nez, les nez. Number 2. Nouns that end in e or o receive an x in the plural. Le lieu, les lieux, un bureau, des bureaux. Number 3. Nouns that end in al or I change their endings to o in the plural. Le cheval, les chevaux, un travail, des travaux. And number 4, the masculine form is always used to refer to a group, two or more people, that includes at least one male. Un étudiant et six étudiantes, des étudiants. Un Français et une Française, des Français. Now that you know how to turn French nouns into plural, here are some rules to help you pronounce them correctly. Number 1. The final S is usually not pronounced in French. For example, les femmes, des livres. Number 2. Spoken French distinguishes most singular and plural nouns by the pronunciation of the definite article. For example, when French speakers hear le touriste, they know it's singular because of the article le, and not so much because of the noun touriste, which practically sounds the same as its plural touristes. The same goes for its plural les touristes. They know that it's plural because of the article les, not because of its noun. And number 3, when the S of a plural article, les or de, is followed by a vowel noun, it is pronounced z and begins the following syllable. This is called a liaison. For example, les exercices, des hommes. There is no liaison, however, with the aspirate H. Les héros. Now we've come to our quick exercise. Give the plural form of the following nouns. Write your answers in the comment section, and I'll do my best to check them. Une fenêtre. Une fenêtre. Le gâteau. Le gâteau. La croix. La croix. Un hôpital. Un hôpital. La pomme. La pomme. And that's it for this episode of French class. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more French classes. Merci beaucoup and see you in the next one.